like, dude, I've been following you for a couple of years now, and it's awesome to finally meet you.
Appreciate it, man. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you being a follower, and glad that you enjoy my system demo videos, and you're about to be on one now.
Yes.
So. Awesome, man.
Awesome, man.
Really good demo, really good band.
This year has just been crazy.
Is this just?
Yeah.
Is this just sitting in there in the box?
Yeah, it's just sitting in there.
Okay, cool. Nice. You know how I am. I like to get everything.
Work in progress.
The day starts with a call.
What's in here, man?
Yeah, Alec 4 Avatar STU 15s on a base 15K, wired at 1 ohm.
Okay. Wow.
Still way under power, but
yeah. That looks good, man. You really built. Did you build this whole thing in?
I designed and built it. It was my first one that I designed and built. And,
very nice.
Still testing with the port and testing with everything, but so far I like it. I mainly built it for lows. It'll play high. I'm peaking right now. I'm peaking at 31. Super low. It does a 57 at 31, and it'll do a 51.9 at 19 hertz.
Wow. Good bandwidth then. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I'm extremely happy with it.
Very nice.
Oh yeah. But I'll give you a little bit of both, or low and high.
What's your electrical like?
It's a Brand X 270 and a Yinlong 80 amp hour.
Okay.
Battery delete up front, and then of course all one-out wire throughout. So.
All right. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear.
Yeah, I'll give you a little bit of low first.
Did you do any kind of bracing work?
It's wood, all birch.
Okay.
All birch. Yeah.
All right.
I'm hoping the windshield stays intact this year. I blew it out last year. So
man.
With the heat and everything. I'm hoping my voltage keeps up because it's been draining with this heat.
Yeah.
I'll give you a little bit of low first.
Okay. What's going on, everyone? I'm JacobViral. I do daily cardio YouTube videos. I hope you enjoyed the full walk-around we just got of Alec's system. This was at the Scrapin the Coast show in 2022 of Biloxi, Mississippi. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds today. He's going to be giving us a 2-song bass demo. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. I really like the way he has his layout of his enclosure. He built this box pretty much in his vehicle. Did a really good job to be able to fit 4 15-inch subwoofers in a car. It's really hard to fit that much space inside of it, but he definitely optimized his space by actually structurally building into the vehicle. This is on a powerful 15,000 watt amplifier. I did not get the impedance. I'm going to say it's probably at 1 ohm final load after all the wiring is for the amplifier. And if you look closely, you can see he actually built into the trunk a little bit to get the maximum amount of space. And being that this is a 4th order, there is a sealed section underneath of those subwoofers. So there is a sealed chamber and a ported chamber, and he did a good amount of port area to make the cone area to port area ratio optimized to get really low in response. And he was definitely playing down to 17 hertz, you'll see on one of the songs. And lastly, if you notice, he removed his actual top of his seat so he doesn't have his headrest, so that didn't block the port. That little bit of adjustment change can actually adjust your tuning. So anybody that may consider that in there. So we're going to go ahead and get to the cardio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos and enjoy the demo.
Love,
Yeah.
Dude, that gets really low.
It'll play full tilt down about 17 hertz.
17.
Yeah.
How does it do both windows down?
That's where highs. That's where our
Okay.
highs play in. Yeah, this car is funky. I
Yeah.
don't know what it is, but that's how I get my highs. And it's funny because this window doesn't like to roll down sometimes.
Okay. Alright.
This has a little bit of a mix of low and high.
Okay.
Yeah.
Appreciate the demo, man.
Oh yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
It's awesome to see you here.
Appreciate it.
Oh,
man.
yeah.
What's your name?
Alec.
Alec.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for watching, Alec.
yeah.
Appreciate the good demo.
Yeah, I've been following you forever, man.
Yeah.
Like, dude, I've been following you for a couple of years now, and it's awesome to finally meet you.
Appreciate it, man. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you being a follower, and glad that you enjoy my system demo videos, and you're about to be on one now.
Yes.
So.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome, man.
Awesome, man. I
Really
appreciate
good
it.
demo, really good bandwidth.
Oh, yeah.
Didn't fall off even into the teens, almost low 20s.
Yeah.
Did a really good job.
Yeah, that first song dropped to about 18. Is that low note? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Appreciate it,
Awesome.
man.
Oh, yeah.